Hey guys, here I make an chatbot with the Python, and I made this without any API key, and it runs with your local LLM that is installed in your laptop. And to run this you have to just start the method, and you can make any conversation with it, like Python code for real-time game, and it will go to your local LLM and search the result for you and give the result to you. To run this you have to install the Ollama on your laptop. So simply go to this website and click on download for Windows or Macs or Linux. Then it will take some time to give the result because it running on your local LLM. So it is running. So here is given the result, like if I send good morning, then it will take some time. So here it given the result. Good morning, I have great start of your day. So that's all. Thank you.